Yeah, man, fish fully seasoned up. Carrot, onion, garlic, pepper, scallion, thyme. Yeah, man, fully seasoned up, man. See fire. Yeah, man, and some steamed fish. If you're just joining the channel, remember to subscribe, share up live, check out the video them on the channel. A journey to 1,000 subscriber. Okay, please and thanks. Like up the video. So, watch you go on. Without further ado, yeah, man. So, cook fish there right there, so. Cover it up. Got some water. Yeah, I got some oil. Come on. I got a fire. So as soon as the burn down, you don't want so much fire in it. You don't want so much fire. So I take out some fire blazing. Steam fish in a pot, my people. Share up your life. You guys share up your life. Subscribe to the channel if you just joined. I'm on some steam fish. Some water. Yeah guys, so we got fish fully seasoned up. pepper, onion, everything in it. Yes, Zana love, respect, subscribe. Yeah, this all gone. Go on steam now. To get dark now, guys. I don't know if I see properly on the phone. Yeah, but the temperature dropped. It's about after 5 now. So we got some more fire out right there, so. Yeah. So that go and blaze. See people check out our go and see fire start blaze up, you know. Everything I simmer down. Yeah, so make that go and see him now. I'm in Jamaica. Let's go right. I can go and see him. Yeah, so I make that let's go and simmer a little bit. Yeah, man, about 20 minutes. I will steam some rice. So we're gonna eat fish and rice. Yeah, respect Zana. Remember to subscribe. Journey to 1,000 subscriber people. Yeah, man, I want to get there, you know, people. I want to get the watch hour and everything. So yeah, subscribe for me, yeah. Yeah, man, watch up the video them. Share up the video them. Yeah, this new year, you know, people want to reach out 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours so we can start get paid. Yeah. Yeah, man, looking at your part. Yeah, feel free to support the channel. Yeah. Feel free to assist the channel. show me where I go and check out water generator. Man, check out the pumpkin crop right there. So. Man, check out the puppy them. Them there. Baby puppy them. And check out the bunch of plant roots. What is pot turn over? People pot a turn over. That going on and cook on with fire and people. With them burn down. Get the pot cover wash. Pot cover clean again. Yes, peeps. Get some more wood in the fire. Fire burn lame. At night I come on the fire blaze up more than that. Cause I have some rice to cook too, you know. So I get them firewood there right there, so. You know, make it go and blaze up. Subscribe to the channel. But first, I have to take off the pot and rest it back on a block. Yeah, shape life. Yeah, looking beautiful. See what I go on in. Yes, upon that. Can you smell that? It's gonna be yummy, delicious. Steamed fish and rice. Yeah, fire blaze again. So everything fully active. So I get them plate to wash up back. Yeah, I'm ready for share out. Stay tuned. Okay, my people, I'm gonna end the live now. Subscribe to the channel if you like to see more of them videos. Peace. I'm out. Coop. Respect, bro. Bro, it's time I get dark now, my people. Can't hardly see on the camera. Big up yourself, Coop. Yeah, man, love the support from you, yeah? Yeah, love the support from everybody. I'm gonna cook some steam fish and rice eat up on the fire. Steam fish, steam them. Yeah, man, I go order this year now. So I wanna stay tuned. Turn on the notification bell. Yeah. So you can get all the content them. Cause we pop up all over random places. Yeah, man. Get me to 4,000 watch hour, okay my peeps? Yeah. And tonight I'm gonna line up a playlist. So I wanna run the playlist when I line it up on the channel. I wanna run the playlist them. So I can get to 4,000 watch hour. Yeah. That is the goal. Stay tuned. Peace. Subscribe. I'm out.